Welcome back, happy platers! Our special menu for today on how to cook episode is beef pares. Are you ready to cook? Let's start! Need some beef. And our aromatics for this dish are the following: onion, garlic, ginger, sibot, cinnamon bark, and star anise. You also need soy sauce, oyster sauce, and pepper. So first step, let's heat the pan and saute our aromatics. When we saute our aromatics with our spices, it helps add flavors and it really brings out the smell and scent of the pares once it got cooked. When you smell the distinct smell of your aromatics, it's time to add your beef. You have to saute it, at least darken a little bit the meat, and then add some water later on. It is a lot tastier. Our secret here is allspice. After adding allspice, I add all my liquid ingredients and bring it to boil. And then remove all the scums that are on top of it until it is clear brown. And here I'll just bring it to boil and add some of my slurry and then cover this until it thickens and render. After an hour, here's our pares and it should be ready to serve. And that's our happy plate for today, beef pares. And we hope you enjoy watching this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our video and follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well as TikTok. Thank you for watching.